and girls, it is time for Saxon Phonics, lesson 94. All right, don't forget, at the beginning of your packet is spelling list 18. You need to study today for your test. That is when? It's tomorrow. Today's the last day of this packet. So when you get to the end, remember you have a spelling test and a phonics test. Spelling test and a phonics test. Inside of your assignment today, there is a link to Spelling City. You can practice on there, or you can get your study buddy, whoever your study buddy is at home, to help you practice spelling your words so you'll be ready. All right, you can turn in your packet to lesson 94 if you're ready. While we look at our standards. All right, all of these are standards for phonics. All right, we can use any of these and all of these in one day. All right, the main one we're going to focus on today is identifying words that are funny, inconsistent, but common spelling sound correspondences. So we're going to work on our sight words or funny words. We are also going to decode long and short vowel words. Work on our words with common vowel teams. That means digraphs, diphthongs, combinations. Decode two-syllable words. We will work on that. And we'll work on our suffixes. We have not learned any prefixes yet, but we will this year. All right, so let's start our lesson. This is what your lesson 94 looks like. Put your name on this page. We will be practicing some of your funny words or sight words at the beginning of the lesson today. We will be learning new sight words that we will practice. All right, let's go over some of the spelling patterns we have been learning in the last week. All right, we learned a new sound for A yesterday. Say it with me. Wallet, A, aw. Again, wallet, A, aw. Remember, when A follows L in a one-syllable word, it can say aw. Straw, digraph A-W, aw. Faucet, digraph A-U, aw. Soap, digraph O-A, O. Lotion, final stable syllable T-I-O-N, shun. All right, eyes up here. Let's review our skills, starting with your letter names. Let Miss Fires get her clicker ready. You unplugged it. Now we're ready. Review cards. Name the letters. Digraph O-A. Combination I-R. Final stable syllable T-I-O-N. Digraph E-A. Final stable syllable B-L-E. Digraph O-W. Final stable syllable T-L-E. Digraph A-W, ghost letter digraph G-N, digraph A-Y, trigraph T-C-H, trigraph D-G-E, combination QU, final stable syllable PLE, digraph AU, trigraph IGH, digraph AI, vowel Y, diphthong OI, digraph OO, diphthong OY, I consonant E, affix cards, suffix IST, a person who does something. A pianist is a person who plays the piano. Suffix EST, comparing three or more things. The most means the most. Softest. My pillow is the softest pillow in the house. Means the most. Suffix ER compares two things. Means more. My pillow is softer, than yours. Softer. Sight word cards. Alright, I left all of the sight words in the stack. Long list today. Let's read them quickly. Stranger, guess, every, finally, enough, today. Strange, danger, by, whose, country, should, could, early, change, I, none, something, earth, against, again, gone, have, listen, learn, heard, ocean, into, animal, many, two, several, says, there, a place. Guys, that is an adverb. Tells you where. Love, very, young, question, who, was, government, island, America, together, answer, do, said, won't, trouble, your, pool, once, bush, usually, are, the, what, been, any, you, don't, people, tomorrow, from, some, eight, there, it belongs to them, does, goes, friend, were, only, push, where, they, would, come. Alright, let's spell some sight words. I'm going to call out words 1 through 5. You will write them down. After 1 through 5, we will check your work before we do 6 through 10. Alright, number 1. Get my paper. Alright, number 1, change. Change. My mom needs to change her shoes before we leave. Change. Number 2, country. Country. The opposite of the city is the country. Country. Number 3, danger, danger. You could be in danger if you go into the cave. Danger. Danger. Number 4, I will cover my eye with my hand. I. Number 5, island. Island. The island is surrounded by water. Island. Island. All right, let's check your work on 1 through 5. Number 1, change. Let's spell it together. Get ready. C-H-A-N-G-E. What word? Change. Number 2, country. Spell it with me. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Number 3, danger. Danger. Let's spell it. D-A-N-G-E-R. What word? Danger. Number 4, eye, as in part of your body, eye. Let's spell it. E-Y-E. What word? I. Number 5 is island. Let's spell it. I-S-L-A-N-D. What word? Island. Island. All right. Now, let's spell the words on 6 through 10. Remember, they are funny words. We can't sound them out. Number 6, listen. I will listen to some songs on the radio. Listen. Number 7, once. Once. I will read the story once today. Once. Number 8, strange. Strange. I heard a strange noise coming from the basement. Strange. Number 9, we're just changing that word a little bit. Stranger. Stranger. My mom taught me not to talk to a stranger. Stranger. Number 10. Whose. Whose. I want to know whose team I will be on. Whose. All right, let's check your work. Number 6. Listen. Let's spell it together. Listen. What word? Listen. Number 7. The word is once. Let's spell it together. O-N-C-E. What word? Once. Once. Number 8. The word is strange. Let's spell it together. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. What word? Strange. Now we're going to add one letter and make the word stranger. So we add an R to the end of strange and we have the word what? Stranger. Let's spell it again. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger. And number 10. The word is whose. Spell it. W-H-O-S-E. Whose. Whose. Alright, now we're going to make a sentence. Your sentence today has a pause. Remember, when we need to stop and pause, we usually have what there? A comma. Listen. If you talk while you eat, you might choke. Listen again. If you talk while you eat, you might choke. Say it with me. If you talk while you eat, you might choke. Your turn. Yes, if you talk while you eat, you might choke. Write that sentence on the line. When you're ready to check your sentence, press play. All right, let's check your work. Capital I. I know this font does not have the hat and feet on it, but we need the hat and feet on our capital I. If you talk while you eat, comma, because we're pausing there, you might choke. All right, we're telling. It's a declarative sentence. It ends with a period. Might has trigraph IGH in it. Check your work. All right, when you're ready, pencils are down. Ears listening, eyes watching. We have some new sight words, funny words. All right, let's see if you know these sight words, funny words. All right, this word is bought. What word? Yes, bought. Means to purchase. It's the past tense of buy. Spell it. B-O-U-G-H-T. What word? Yes, bought. I bought a sucker at the store. Bought. What word? Yes, bought. This word is brought. What word? Yes, brought. We added an R in there. Spell it. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. I brought my lunch from home. Brought. This word is daughter. What word? Daughter. Spell it. D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Daughter. I have a daughter and her name is Hannah-Beth. Daughter. This word is father. What word? Yes, father. Spell it. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Another word for father is dad. Father. This word is fault. What word? Fault. Spell it. F-O-U-G-H-T. Fault. It's the past tense of fight. Last night, I fought with my sister over a game we were playing. Fought. This word is laugh. What word? Yes, laugh. Spell it. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. I like to laugh at funny jokes. Laugh. This word is mountain. What word? Yes, mountain. Spell it. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. The mountain has snow on the very top. Mountain. This word is talk. What word? Yes, talk. Spell it. T-A-L-K. Talk. Guys, look, they have talk twice. They must really want us to know that word. So we have talk here and we have talk here, right? All right, and this word is thought. What word? Yes, thought. Spell it. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. It is the past tense of think. I thought I knew the answer, but I didn't. Thought. All right, so our new cars. Echo behind me. Bought. Yes, bought. Brought. Yes, brought. Daughter. Yes, daughter. Father. Yes, father. Fought. Yes, fought. Laugh. Yes, laugh. Mountain. Yes, mountain. Talk. Yes, talk. Thought. Yes, thought. Walk should be the other word, not talk. Walk. What word? Yes, walk. Let's spell it now. W-A-L-K. What word? Walk. Please walk in the halls. What word? Walk. Rhymes with talk. That's why we had talk on there twice. All right, what word? Walk. All right, we're going to do them again backwards. Here we go. Your turn. Walk. Thought. Talk. Mountain. Laugh. Fought. Father. Daughter. Brought. Bought. Again. Bought. Brought. Daughter. Father. Fought. Laugh. Mountain. Talk. Thought. Walk. All right. On your paper, you have these words. You need to read them to someone and have them check it off, and you need to practice spelling them out loud. You eventually need to know how to spell them all. You also have room for 5 sentences today. Use 5 of them in a sentence at the bottom of your page. When you're ready, turn it over to your practice. Sight words, part 7. All right. Let's go over them one more time. Step up so we don't have that in the way. What word? Talk. Thought. Daughter. Walk. Brought. Father. Bought. Mountain. Thought. And laugh. All right, put your finger in the box at the bottom. Let's read these words. First word, walk. Next word, thought. Next word, talk. Next word, brought. Next word, fought. Next word, father. Next word, bought. Next word, mountain. Next word, laugh. Last word, daughter. All right, it says read the sentences and fill in the blanks with the words from the list at the bottom of the page. Number 1, finger on it. Let's read it together. Everyone blank good food to the father-daughter banquet. Everyone blank good food to the father-daughter banquet. All right, everyone walk good food. Thought. Talk. Brought. Make sure everyone brought good food to the father-daughter banquet. It makes sense, so I can write it on the line. Sarah's got to get her markers working this morning. There we go. Now, once you use it, you may mark it out. I would not scribble it out, though, just in case you make a mistake. Number 2, let's read it together. Walter blank, we should talk or discuss our plans for the summer camp on the blank. Walter blank, we should talk or discuss our plans for the summer camp on the blank. All right, what would that first one be? Walter thought. So Walter thought we should talk or discuss our plans for the summer camp on the blank. Where could summer camp be? On the walk, talk, fought, father, fought, mountain. On the mountain. But you have to think about what makes sense. All right, let's do one more together, and then I'm going to let you practice. Number 3. The clown's goofy goofy blank made me blank. The clown's goofy blank. What could the clown do that's goofy? Walk or talk? What do we usually hear clowns? Do we usually hear clowns talk? We usually see them walk. All right, made me what? What would you do at a clown? Laugh. All right, you're going to finish up 4, 5, 6, and 7 using your sight words at the bottom. On the back today, you're going to read about the U.S. flag. And you have 4 questions about it. Number 4 asks you about a good title. Remember, titles tell you what it is mostly about. So think about a title that tells you what it's mostly about. Okay? And then write it down at the bottom. You come up with the title. Remember, take a picture if you want us to check your work. Don't forget to study for your spelling test tomorrow and your phonics